Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to create ID.me account. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply go to this official website v.o.com. Then you should click on sign in on the top right side, and now you'll have to choose ID.me. And after that, here you'll find this section. You'll have to enter the email and password and confirm the password. And you need to know that the password must include at least 8 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, and at least one number. And do not include common phrases or repeated characters like ABC or 111, personal dates like your birth date, parts of your email address, parts of the same password you use for other accounts like your bank account or email account. After that, it will ask you to enter the 6-digit code from the email. Now you want to know what is multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication is an extra layer of protection on your sign-in account. It helps us make sure that you are trying to use your account and not someone pretending to be you. Choose the most secure methods you know you will be able to use. And if you lose your multi-factor authentication methods, you will have to go through steps to recover your account. And after that, it will ask you to enter 6-digit code that will be sent to your phone number. And now it will show you here the successful message. You will just now have to give it the permission to allow it to receive any email from them. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.